In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to manage Wells Fargo credit card account online. Let's get started. First, navigate to the official website of Wells Fargo. Provide your credentials and log into your account. Once you are signed in, you'll see your account dashboard. Select your Wells Fargo credit card from the list of accounts to access its details. From here, you can view your current balance, available credit, payment due date, minimum payment, and recent account activity. You can also review pending and posted transactions to keep track of your spending. To make a payment, select the Make a Payment option, choose the account you would like to pay from, enter the payment amount, select the payment date, and confirm the transaction. You can also set up automatic payments so you never miss a due date. If you want to review previous billing cycles, open the Statements and Documents section. There you can view, download, or print your monthly credit card statements and switch to paperless statements if you prefer electronic delivery. You can also manage your account settings by updating your contact information, changing your password, setting up account alerts, and reviewing your notification preferences. Alerts can notify you about purchases, payments, statement availability, and other important account activity. If a card is lost or stolen, you can use the online banking tools to temporarily turn your card off, report it as stolen or lost, request a placement card if your account is eligible. Finally, if you have rewards associated with your credit card, you can check your rewards balance and redeem eligible rewards directly through your online account. And that's it. This is how you can easily manage your Wells Fargo credit card account online. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.